Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today.
And Gianna.
Today we're going to be preparing for you Cappellini con Polpa di Granchio,
which is angel hair with crab meat.
This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started.
These are the ingredients that we need. Pasta, salted butter, crab meat, olive oil, white wine, parsley, garlic, salt, oregano, and red pepper.
Okay, we're gonna add the pasta to the sauce, nice and wet. You want to keep this dish wet because this type of pasta dries up quickly, but it's, fast eating. You mix it up, you plate it, and you serve it. And here's our final product.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next recipe, and
bon appetit!